guys, what's going on? So, you know, in my last couple videos, I told you I was getting a puppy. And yes, that's true to all you guys that thought it was fake. So yeah, and if you, so cute. If you guys want to see my puppy, then make sure to go down below and go click the like button and leave a comment if you think she's cute. And, well, it's a he actually. If you think he's cute. And make sure you smash that notification bell so you get notified every single time I make a video. And yeah, 3, 2, 1. Here he is. He is the cutest little thing ever. See this? You see this? There he is. Look how small he is. Like, it doesn't look that small on the camera, but he's smelling a few right now. Oh, look at him. He's just running and running. As far as I move my feet, he runs. He loves my feet. Get back. Look at him run, guys. He's running. He smells so good. I just gave him a bath. He stinks. He was stinky. There he is. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little puppy. And I love you guys, and peace out. Ray Q. Fam, bye.